one dark sky, one very loud boom, and one house with no lights.
Ben, the lights. Where are the lights?
The lights were gone. The storm was here. But let's start from the beginning. It was a quiet afternoon at the Berry house. Too quiet. Do you remember the last episode? Lily made her first school friend, Mia. Today, the sky had a different plan. Mom picked up the children early from school.
Mia says a storm is coming. A big one.
Mia was right. The wind was already awake.
We drew clouds today. Mia drew 10. I drew 11.
11 clouds. And now the sky copies your drawing.
Big clouds. Very big clouds.
Dad looked at the sky for a long time. The radio said, "Big storm tonight. Strong wind, heavy rain." Okay, family. Storm plan. Everybody helps. Ben found the flashlight. Lily carried the candles.
A storm. This is so exciting.
Ben tested the flashlight 3 times. On, off, on.
Batteries. Check. Light. Check. Hero. Check.
Exciting? I don't like big booms.
Dad closed all the windows. Ben brought the garden chairs inside. The wind pulled at the trees, stronger and stronger. And of course, Ben closed the white garden gate. He checked it twice. Like always, one window shutter was loose. Bang, bang, bang.
Not tonight, my friend. Tonight, you stay quiet.
Water bottles, check. Candles, check. Cookies, very important, check.
I made storm snacks. Storms are better with popcorn.
Nobody argued with that. Nobody ever argues with popcorn. But Muffin walked in circles, round and round. Dogs feel storms before people do. Lily made a special storm bed for Muffin.
Here, Muffin. If you're scared, come here.
Muffin sniffed the bed. He was still not sure.
Big storm coming, Tom. Stay inside and stay together.
We are ready, Grandpa. Don't worry about us.
At 6 o'clock, the first rain came. Tap, tap, tap. Then faster again. Lily watched from the window. The trees danced in the wind.
Look, raindrop race. Mine is winning.
No, my raindrop is faster.
For 1 minute, the storm was just a game. The family ate warm soup for dinner. Outside, the wind sang louder and louder.
Listen, the wind is singing tonight.
I don't like this song.
The wind howled around the corners of the house. Woo!
Do you hear it? The sky has a big dog, too.
Daddy, sky dogs are not real.
Then flash. A big white light filled the room.
1, 2, 3.
Ben counted the seconds. Grandpa taught him this trick. Boom! The thunder rolled over the house. Muffin ran under the sofa like a small furry rocket.
Mommy? The sky is angry.
The sky is not angry, sweetie. It is just loud.
3 seconds. The storm is 3 kilometers away.
Grandpa's trick works.
Then the lamp blinked. Once, twice, and then all the lights went out. The whole house was dark. Completely dark.
Ben? Mommy? Where is everybody?
Don't worry. Flashlight Ben is here.
No lights, no TV, a long dark night. Lily wanted to cry. What would you do? Mom lit the 3 white candles, one by one. The dark room slowly turned warm and gold.
I will give them names. Sunny, Goldie, and Bob.
Nobody asked why Bob. Some questions have no answer.
I have an idea. A wonderful idea. Tonight, we camp in the living
A
room.
blanket fort. They built it with blankets, chairs, and pillows. It was the best fort in the whole street.
I named this fort Fort Barry.
Fort Barry. Only family can come in.
And dogs. Dogs were also welcome. Very welcome. Mom made hot cocoa with little white marshmallows.
Cocoa in a fort. This is fancy camping.
Look, a rabbit! And now, a dragon.
Lily laughed. The thunder was still outside, but inside the fort, it sounded much smaller.
Mia will not believe this fort tomorrow.
Then Mom told stories about her first big storm long ago. I hid under my bed. I was 6, like you. The wind was so strong it took our neighbor's hat. We found it 2 gardens away, on a sleeping cow.
You were scared too, Mommy.
Everybody is scared sometimes, even mommies, even daddies.
Especially daddies. Spiders, mostly.
Then it was Ben's turn to tell a story.
The Brave Knight of Fort Barry, Chapter 1.
The knight was brave. The dragon was loud. Everybody survived. Even Muffin came into the fort. Slowly, step by step. He put his head on Lily's knee and stayed.
Good night, Sonny. Good night, Goldie. Good night, Bob.
And one by one, the Barry family fell asleep together. Outside, the storm grew tired, softer and softer and soft. In the morning, the sun came back. The storm was gone. It left only puddles, branches, and clean, fresh air.
Wow! Branches everywhere. The storm made a big mess.
And puddles. I love puddles.
The air smelled clean and new, like the world after a bath. Lily jumped over the small puddles. Muffin jumped with her. The biggest puddle they saved for later. Muffin stepped in a puddle. Then he shook like a washing machine.
Muffin. Now I am a puddle.
Click! The lights were back. The fridge hummed happily again. The house was awake. The family was safe. Everything was good. After breakfast, Grandpa called to check on everybody.
Did my thunder trick work, Ben?
3 seconds, Grandpa. I counted like a scientist.
After breakfast, Dad and Ben cleaned the garden, branch by branch.
Good morning, neighbors. What a loud night.
One big branch was on Mr. Chen's tomatoes. Ben ran to help first, before anybody asked.
Thank you, Ben. You are a real gardener now. For your family, Ben. Storm tomatoes taste the best.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. Mom makes great tomato soup.
You see, when we are together, no storm is too big. That afternoon, Mom made tomato soup from storm tomatoes.
I am the best stirrer in this family.
Nobody said no. Stirring is serious work. And then, over the wet garden, a big rainbow said good morning.
Red, orange, yellow. I can count 7 colors.
The sky says sorry. I like the sky again.
In the next episode, Grandpa Joe finds something in the attic. Something old. Something dusty. Something secret.
My old secret box. I looked for this for 40 years.
A secret box. What is inside?
What is in Grandpa's secret box? Watch the next episode. A big storm came at night. The wind moved the trees. The thunder was very loud. Ben holds his flashlight. The family was safe inside. Great listening today. You learned 5 new words with the Barry family. If you liked this cozy storm story, subscribe and turn on the bell. Ben, Lily, and Muffin come back with a new adventure every day. See you in the next story.